satana ba aobloe. Novio mi glena bosanu ba aoblo novio. Mi glena satana ba aobloe. Aoblo, aoblo, aobloe. Aoblo, aoblo, aobloe. Mi glena bosanu ba aoblo novio. Mi glena satana ba aobloe. Ao jokato jojo nya 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 dala ya suragba jokato jojo nya 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 jokato jojo nya 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 dala ya suragba jokato jojo nya 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 ao migrena bosanu ba ao flo novio migrena satana ba ao flo ao migrena bosanu ba ao flo novio migrena satana ba aoblo 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 migrena bosanu ba aoblo novio migrena satana ba aoblo jokato jojo nya 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 dala ya suragba jokato jojo nya 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 ajato jojo nya 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 dala ya suragba jokato jojo nya 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 ao migrena bosanu ba aoblo novio migrena satana ba aoblo novio migrena bosanu ba aoblo novio migrena satana ba aoblo.
Yo, akpe, miawezo. Yo,
Gamisu. Gamisu. Indi indo fiai official fi miele.
Mashama, mi va mi asro vegbe, mi va mi asro mi adegbe vegbe.
Just come on in. Akpenami.
Ne mi yinglo ga mi apon nglo ni alphabeto mo dano ta mi nglo ne ewe. Aka ewe. Ta.
I wanna I'm a how do you say it? I'm a shaman. I won't say I'm a shaman because it's not everyone. But I'm a here gonna ever obosum because it wasn't like that. Even in our associations, most of us were saying Ewe, association of, Ewe association, Ewe, like if you feel I'm a shaman, Blom.
Association.
The ver is what I'm stressing. That everybody's trying to say the ver.
Nemiega va troire ngonglo jeshi ugboko. Miega no kata hegevi. O mashama na kweba ho. Hulamiashi. Na ko ako hu azu nya degbe nya ma.
Okay.
Medeku nijo tawo ge mi alagba.
Oh well, Medeku that very why I wanna be I'm all just sure via there. If for Sarah say I wanna be once in a new hitter. Medeku my introduce the kuya.
Anya afo Cyrus ya anya fa bankwenye sanyo manya ba amareshia jeshimla moyaji cause mije enu ya goma ono hafi kaka ame komunya mo anyi ma mavana kaka fifi ya agbeshagbe alo memere ama no afia nya no bestrom ta anya Cyrus ya anya fa tatami male moaji ta nya kpogwa anyima akbena mi awezolo
Zara canto mi po.
Okay. That very easy.
Mi do ezona mi kata mi ga do ezonka abale ke mi cho siana gbo siana nyako gbo me miela ta fifia mi jo siana gbo vie mi ga tere mi aponu sosrum mi asrum mi adegbe ta miaselawo, nukpɔlawo, kple toɖolawo katã miva miasrɔ̃ ʋegbe. Egbea míaƒe nusɔsrɔ̃ yi ge aleke, míaƒo nu tso gbe sia gbe nuzazãwo ŋu. Nu ɖeka eve aɖewo míezãna le míaƒe me wonɔ asitsɔƒe na mí. Ne trɔ leke ko nàtoe azã, míasrɔ̃ nu ɖeka eve aɖe. Nenye ɖeka ƒe ŋkɔe nete lé ɖe tamea, vevietɔ ame yiwo be yewoasrɔ̃ gbea, yiwo mese mɔa, nenye nu ɖeka nete tsɔ le me hã, ke wo hã egbãtɔ ya nekɔ le me na mí. Ta mie nusrɔ̃ ge gbadzaa ko. Menye mí me nuŋlɔkpe zã go. Míasrɔ̃ nuwo ƒe ŋkɔwo ɖeka ɖeka. Ta míage ɖe aƒe me, míakpɔ be nu kawoe le míaƒe aƒewo me hã. Ta nana mi nye kɔna kpɔ gbɔwɔ fi ma ɖa, nu kawoe le gbɔwɔ fi ma. Gbe sia gbe nuzazãwo.
Nuwo li ya gake ale yi negblɔ be míage ɖe aƒe mea, ko míanɔ tsia. Ɖeku.
Na xɔmedzro ɖo na tsia me. Ta nuke míekɔ gane tsia me.
Ele asi wo, ɖeku na kɔtɔ wo nam. Kɔtɔ wa fia. Tɔwa ɖe.
Makotɔ nya fia o.
Meɖeku ye. Mena be nya fia le
ɖeka. Yɔ aƒemenu ɖeka. Nka. Kplu. Kplu. Nka. Mi katã miagagblea ke kplu.
Klu.
Kplu.
Klu.
Pu. O. U. Kplu.
Klu.
Enye tsinonu nu yi ke míezãna nɔ tsi le me abe xeyi ene. Ta ame sia ame ne kpɔ gbɔ ne ɖe lia nakɔe vɛ. Kplu. Eya seƒoƒoviwo hã le dzi. Kplu.
Ne míage ɖe aƒea me koa, ekɔ kplu.
Ke kutsi. Ke tututu. Ta kplu alo tsinonu. Míegazãna tre hã, tre koe mele gbɔnye afi o, ne menyɔ ne mehee hã ɖe. Ta kplu. Míezã kplu. Ta fifia dana mi makpɔ kplɔ ɖa. Kplu.
Ele be matso. Matso, meɖe kuku megbɔna.
Kudu nakɔ kplu vɛ. Ta míehiã ne kplu. Míezãnɛ míenɔ tsi, míekɔe kua tsi. Haya ega yevutɔe ma. Kplu. Ye ma kplu. Okay. Enyo ŋutɔ adzagba. Ke míagayi dzi, míagayɔ nu bubu. Míagayɔ nu bubu. Ke fia be ne míeve nu ɖu gea, nu yiwo tɔgbi míezãna kɔ ɖua nua, míayɔ ɖeka eve aɖewo. Ke ne míeyɔ kplu ɖe, nuka hã míagatã zã?
Awɔna be le nuɖuɖu me agba hã, kɔna agba me le asiwòa me te.
Agba le nyage ŋutɔ le afu.
Agba.
Ta agba le nyage.
Medzi be ma de gɔme le English me ve because ame ɖewo lia. Wo se ʋegbe nenema ta mi ʋegbe do ra ma se gɔme ta mana summary vi aɖe. So today what we are learning, we know some people, if you are speaking the English or you are speaking only ever, they won't understand very well. So we are trying to learn about household items that we use in the house. So we started with the cup, which is kplu, and the second one we're going to look at is the plate. So there are other things that we use like spoon, gachi. So those are the things we are learning today, the things we use in the house. So our belief is that as we learn these things, you'll be able to relate with them and understand them. And if at the end you are able to be able to mention one or two in every, that's a great achievement. So that's what we're doing today. Thank you.
Akbar, thank you very much. So things around our dining table or in the house, everyday use or our daily use items. Yeah. Ta mi gavagbo over agba. Agba ha ale vo. Agba gali, agba vili, agba gobili, agba gbadzeli, agba oli vo. Abale ke kplu hã li vovovo ne. Ta míakpɔba nuɖugba kawo míata zã le míaƒe nuɖui. Míekpo mɔluvi aɖe, kpo tadivi aɖe, ekpo koklo la ɖeka da ɖe edzi ɖi agba ke míazã. Ta agba eɖewo le afi ya. Le kpɔɖe me agba mi katã mi gblɔe. Agba. Nuɖugba agba.
Ephoceros, wohala ben agbonagblɔm no, nyakata.
Ephoceros,
Agba.
agba.
Nyɔkpa agbara.
Agba.
Agba. Heme.
Gbenobonogble agba. Mi katã nukpɔlawo, nyaselawo, mi katã nuka nuɖeka sɔŋ.
Repeat after us. Repeat after us. Agba. A plate. A dish. Agba. The key thing is to repeat everything we're saying.
Yeah. We have different types. Different types of agba.
Do I repeat it?
Different types of plate.
Agba.
Agba. Nye yogi. Agba.
Agba.
Agba. Olive. Agba. 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 Mi komi afufu ya ekplodechi. Agba.
A deep one. If you that's why we're saying fufu, because a deep one, something with soup or something like that.
Yeah, agba. Ta mieko agba oha. Oli anga toli. Paper toli. Agba oli vuvuvu. Ta miega jola fima. Ta agba miesro nureka. Afiva agba gbo. Nke miesro gba danami.
Plua.
Anyagba lento. Plu. Agba. Plu. Agba.
Different types of agba. Agba vovovo.
Agba vovovo. Plu. Agba. Okay. Yeah. So vie mi aga ibo sango gbo mi ava. Ta doctor no jajam do nami. Miekpo plu miekpo agba. Vifia na molu ava agba ma alo chijoju ava plu ma alaba miako nana miakui. Ta mi azaga mi ala nyanka. Gati alo gachi. Gati alo gachi. Iha yenye yi.
Gachi. Gachi edwabli.
Bule devia. Bini mana gagbeje kamiasa.
Gachi. Spoon. Gachi.
Yema. Gachi. Gachi. Ta fifia miekpo nuo maton. Aya gachi ha suetoli ne, gantoli ne. Kana mi gantola bo.
Gatola. Oh, yeah, miakoda no alo, miakodo.
Gato.
Yes, sir. So for tea. Aka mata ko. Why you ji magana?
gato, gachivi, gachiga, ihali, miezana, gachi, gachi. If you are miecho, plu, agba, gachi, anu ọmọ tó ẹ má miẹ sọsọrọ má fìyà. Miẹ wò, gachi gava, gachi ga,
Yes. Hale.
okakanka. Akpẹ tukakuli. Alokalami, gachi, taiha, yenyama. Yeah. Pete a miega jo la fima. Miega ponu bubura. Na miero plon. Vevieto. Yevo de miele. Miero plon no na plon di vovovo. Gachi ha nonyi. Agba nonyi. Plu ha nonyi. Gaka nure kaga kpenare mu. Yega nyanuka. Yezana he. He, abana nua sasama na tansi. He ai hali vovovovovo. He ye kodo no angatoli. Agatoli. He yenye ta. He
Interlude.
ni vinya la fima na glo he.
Knife.
He.
Hey.
He.
Hey.
Hey.
He.
That's nice. Nice in a way.
Ta. He. Ye koga sa ye vubolo na akoya oni. Ta ye vubolo sa he adanami. Hirago. Aya mi akoga pa ye vubolo. Ye vubolo.
There are ridges at the bottom. Ridges are grabber. That very benobe. I feel mele smooth. How would you say?
Adweleshi.
Yes, adweleshi.
Ta ya mi koni sa ye vubolo. Donc varo akpe ona mi tre.
Mayom.
Mieko here jodo fi he. Aya mieko fleanu ganganga iha he. Ta he ha le miashi vovovo. Anga he ha nonyi he. Ta mieko plu. Miekpo plu. Miekpo plu. Miekpo agba. Miekpo agba. Miekpo nka gachi. Fifia miekpo he. Ta. Anu omene miekpo. Omene. Danami. Alafima. Doc, avaro.
Mele afuma yekla mo mi jedom le emoji among lomda fuma ogbagbajem David Orin ameto yona lafia afi David Lavina mensa halafia ta bekaraji bambo bubu halafuma akpe na mi bani
Where's David Lavina Echako me meetelo. Yeah, me invited.
Okay.
She's going to be one of our first students.
I see. Welcome. Esther Wegba. Listen, welcome. Okay. Yeah, welcome, David Lavina. Wezo.
She's put herself in my hands to teach her Evan. She and one other person, so that's great.
Yeah. Looks like she has the learning spirit, so she's here. As you can see, we started communicating. I think she was right here on time, so
we started
Yes.
chatting from the beginning. That we have Davi, Doreen also here. And okay, yo, akpe. Yeah,
Eh,
let's go.
mia gocha mia ba. Bia chomon pokpo ya abdo na mia panya salon polo. Pla duazaba. Mie sukua humta. Mie jiba monova ngulonko. Yonto mianko sam devia no yom he. Kulu devia la no godo no yom. Ta devi yom ye bono hegava kaji mia po. Ta mi be mi ko mia viove. Vevieto devio mi jire gbeji o mo sagbe o. Mi jibe no srogba no valo.
Yo, akpe.
Okay. Ta miaƒe nu ya ne miewɔa mieda ihe dagere kaji ale miekɔ ŋlɔ ge ne ɖeviawo ne mia adawo ɖe hatsotso aɖe me. Menye ɖeviwo ɖeɖe o, ame tsitsiwo maɖo woƒe kpeɖeŋutɔ alo wo srɔ̃ wodzi be no srɔ̃ gbea wonye gbe bubu gblɔlawo mihe wo katã vɛ miasrɔ̃ miade gbe. Nu yiwo nye nu nyunyui aɖewo sia nakɔ vɛ ale bene migatsi gbe fũu ta akpe na mi. Miawoe va dɔ wɔ ge, miawoe wɔm hã. Nu ko srɔ̃ miele miva mi srɔ̃ ʋe gbe. Ke dɔk miaɖi tsa miava.
Ye mia di cha miava. Akpe na mi. Da vero da na mi. Kple efo Gosen. Yo, ke mie gbɔna kpie.
Awo mi gblẽ na bosanu be awo vlo nɔvio. Mi gblẽ na satana be awo vlo. Nɔvio mi gblẽ na bosanu be awo vlo nɔvio. Mi gblẽ na satana be awo vlo.
Yo,
All right, ke miegbo.
mie gbɔ.
Okay. Yo. Fifia miaga yi dzi. Miesrɔ̃ enua me ne. Miesrɔ̃ kplu, agba, gati, he. Fifia miaga yina nane srɔ̃ ge. Aɖe yiɔ miezana tsinono. Miaƒe tsinono eɖewo nɔna tukpa me. Eɖewo hã le aƒea ele kotokuvi me. Woyɔnɛ be pure water. Gake fia ele atukpa me. Ta miasrɔ̃ atukpa. Atukpa. Atukpa.
Atukpa. Atukpa.
Atukpa. Atukpa. Atukpa. Ihali vovo in different shapes. Different types. Atukpa. Haya ha. Atukpa. Atukpa. Atukpa.
I had one, but I decided not to show that one.
Atukpa. Haya ha. Atukpa. Yeah, atukpa. Atukpa. Like vinyare na glo atukpa.
Yeah, man, atukpa.
Atuba.
Good enough.
Atukpa. Yeah.
That's butter.
Gayoni haba bodiabo. Bodiabo. Akamiezana atukpa. Atukpa. Miezane awu. Ta. Yemye wo lessons vai chan. Miezane bodiabo ha. Oba da fi ha wa gava fi. Miekpo atukpa. Miekpo plu. Miekpo he. miekpo agba. Miegara kakogaki. Miela fima. Fifia miako nudas alo kutu. Ime mi remolu ale. Ime mi otadi ale. Ta iha vavage. Kutu.
Kutu. Nudaze.
Nudas kutu. Nudas kutu. Enye. Ntuvialem kutu. Alo nudas. Vinyanegble kutu.
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 Say kutu. Kutu.
Yeah.
Kutu. Kutu. Nudas. Ye me mi ramoluela. Ye me mi watadiala. Ye me mi kozu biahala. Kutu. Kutu. Ta kutu miera moluma miera akplan mia togba mata direm kutu. Kutu. Ta fifia mia ga imagba. Yamajiba ni anglo no obo.
No the car has sister. No the car sister.
Oh, nyata fa mako mara fi. Ashitutunu. Ashitutunu.
Hello, tutunu. Napkin.
Ashitutunu. Ashitutuvo. Alo ashitutunu. Yenye napkin. Adavana avo. Alo ni. Na mi chovia kama kogavi. Ashitutunu. Okay. Interlude. Docre.
Yo, mie bona pi akpe nami. Lake enwa de mie ogoma sama nya ya oglom mie nkudo ma enwa oje. Mie apa no so la.
No ngamra no atanami.
Da lake mie don kungi oje ala be da nami ple da veroa the Obiana Biava Viento, they ask a lot of questions. So get ready for the quiz. So make sure you remember everything.
Sure.
In detail. Because if you know what is napkin, assisted to know, you should know what is tray or calabash. I think they did show that
yeah.
They did not have one, they did not have one at home.
Tre.
I think they showed this. Ofi and Heya. A tray, so this is calabash tray earlier. So just giving you some pointers so that when it's quiz time, you don't blame me that I didn't tell you that Danami, Davero, and Fosaros.
You haven't taught.
Okay.
All right.
Yeah, so Dalavina says, hey. And then can you pronounce? Okay, can you pronounce napkin again?
Asitutunu. Asitutunu. Allo ashitutuvo.
Okay, I'm typing it there. So
and let me add that Ashia, or some people say Ati because of the different dialectal parts of the language. There, Ashitutu is it's hands, fingers. That's why you're getting it. That's why it seems so big. But you're going to learn, once you learn about fingers and parts of the body, you see why that word is so. I mean, that little tiny thing has such a big name.
Davina, asitutunu anyarekai. Put all together. It should all come together. Asitutunu. or I see two vo.
Yeah.
It should all come together.
So she got it.
Yeah. Okay, then
Senyo akpe.
take a little break.
Yeah, that dialogue about this is helpful. If you have a segment,
Thank you.
I see two no, so
Yeah.
syllable by syllables. I see
Right.
two
I see
two
two
no.
I see two
I see two.
vo. The vo is close.
Yeah, vo is close.
Vo is close. That's what I'm saying. There are two. Yeah, but you'll get it once you know the parts of the body. Then you, because we tend to use parts of the body to name things, to name the doing verbs.
Yeah.
So that's why it seems like why such a long whatever.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yo, okay.
We're gonna give you some music and we'll be back.
Okay.
Be back very soon. Yo,
I think we ran out of items. I don't have extra. Yeah, no problem. I don't have enough of the stuff. I thought it would take us a long time. But
Oh, akpe, miegbo, mietrogo, akpe, yo, ke ele miagbo, anyi nova.
aha. Kero ko miaga iji abale mie gloma mie sukuvi ojim alaba mia we wanya kpo mia vio yo ka mie jire gbaji o masagbo no wasru mia degbe ne maregbo na be ya gbo na vio ba shi a wasago ma ba shi otan shi ta ipon ko sro me miela ta nu agba mie nu poncho apo manu zazan vevieto le nu du plonchi nu ɖeka ɖo yi ke míezãna ne míeŋlɔ nane be mímekɔe da ɖe dzi ye nenye nukpɔla alo toɖola ye nekpea aŋlui ɖe me na mí ne mía akɔe akɔ vɛ ta akpe na mi míawoe ve dɔ wɔ ge míawoe dɔ wɔm hã ne míayi dzi míesrɔ̃ nu ɖeka ɖo va yi ta míaɖo ŋku nu kawo míesrɔ̃ gbã danami
agba
míesrɔ̃ agba kɔ agba dogbe makpɔ agba
maybe it comes in Evanale, right? It comes, if I say Evana Vovovo, right? Okay. So it comes in different shapes and sizes and different types. Agba just means a plate or something that you eat in or do something in the kitchen.
Yeah.
Also, by the way, I guess those who know me, who don't know me, I speak Diasporan Vegwe. So, one of those like you who has to learn now. So, if you hear my English going through the Ede and even asking how something is said, don't worry, you will be the same, and before you know it, you understand it, and that's it. So here's another. That very Agba.
Yeah,
Right?
Agba. Agba
Agba,
is another.
Koko. How do you know? I mean, Koko. I mean, it's deep. How do you say deep?
Agba gobi.
Agba. Okay.
Agba gobi. Alo agba gobo. Gobo.
Okay.
Meaning is deep.
Nako do nane he.
Ano na jogbo ha. Adu amolu ha.
Your house.
Adu bobo ha.
Yeah, everything. And then they come in different, different shapes and colors. This is plastic.
Yeah.
And of course, we also have many disposable. This week I'm a clog disposable.
Paper. Yeah. Akpa. So kuvi niya tonya ganala. Yeah. Ka mi gaiji. Nuka hamye gasron. Yes, right.
Mistro nu yabe atukpa yevu be bottle. Na ko atukpa alam ha bale enu agba to hon le atukpa li o konu na echi tukpa echi kono na the halia ahatukpa. So we have different kinds of bottles also. We have water bottle, wine bottle, whiskey bottle.
Yeah. breakable ones, plastic ones.
Yeah.
Plastic you throw away.
Yeah. I have
the wine, wine is also a tupa. Those are when we go to the African market and buy palm oils. That Lavina, I know you know because you eat that food. So you buy the palm oil and all those things, they are in Atupa. And they are all in Atupa. They are in bottles. Yes.
Atupa. So we have learned Atupa. Okay. Boro. Hello, Bodiabo.
Another name is Bodiabo.
Another name. Another dialect. Okay. Dan polau nyasalo mi kuna na chungwa mingulere nwa mandabasa manami fa. Okay. Nyaga iji. Nuka hamye gasron.
Blue.
Gasron. Blue.
Kopu.
Blue. Kopu. English part ma.
Yes, bro. Kopu.
Kaka, them le English.
Kaka,
Abona no sem.
If there's an English part to any vernacular we speak, is because before the white man came, we didn't say it that way. Cup is because they came with instead cup. Blue. That very again. Blue, right?
Blue.
Yeah. Blue. That's a real name in our language.
Anya haya. Anya chijoju no tomana coffee amadi.
The difference.
Emma. Haya ha plue. Akanya gayo ni ba konko. Mi gayo ni ba konko.
Konko. No kata na konko.
Anko nyama.
Okay.
Hai. Aloma lemo.
It's just a glass. It's a glass. Drinking glass.
Konko. Bega yo ni banka. Blue ko. Nui ka mo no nula.
It's just
Blue. No. Blue. Nusha nui ka miezana no na noa. Miawe ba blue. Vieto o wede no mayaoma. Anything in this form is blue. Labrador. Okay. Mi gastro no bubu ha. Ka mi gastro.
Gallo. Nyawa gallo eh.
Ni manyan ke gallo gojiri.
Asi.
Gafflo.
Asi tutu vo.
Gafflo.
Ashi tutu vo. Ashi tutu vo.
Yeah.
Yaka na mi remove mi zani. Alo na adudu pa okweda no na dara kota.
Napkin.
Afi awo. Ashi tutu vo. Alo ashi tutu nu. Ashi tutu nu.
Ashitutu for that Lavina. Ashitutu vo is like cloth. So it's like a napkin, think about cloth napkin. And then no, when you just say ashitutu noa, then it's something you wipe your mouth with. So they all kind of come together.
Atamva fifi mi have ayuka mi kona po gba ayawo na
Yeah, that's just a tissue, napkin.
Ta hamo asi tutu nu ko nya na tutu iko na kwa pugba. Okay. Nka ha mi ga so. Ka je mi ga ronkwe.
Nudaze.
Yes, ro nudaze.
Lokutu.
Kutu.
Ephosaurus, something you said, whatever you said is ze.
Kutu. No, anye tong bedo maleta.
Yeah, man,
Kutu. Nami azonu aje abogbo bu ho toro. Kutu. Kutu. Kutuga. Kutu. Nudaze.
Ephosaurus, mama via enu akpama.
Okay.
Pot.
Kutu.
Kutu. Yeah.
Kutu. Yecho afima miega so no bubu ha. Nka je miega ronkwe.
Mia polisa be amade gbona ne ha. To biara ko. Yeah. Calabash, yeah. Yeneglo plu penya calabash menya small ya. Tre.
Allo tre. Okay, mi ga so nu daka mi ga ngulebo.
Okay, ma. Gotcha. Okay, ma, no problem.
Gachi. Allo gachi.
Different ones, different sizes, different styles.
Mie glugachi. Gachi vi. Gachi ga.
Gachi lolo.
Afi chi hali. Nye gachi perform boom. Okay. Mie glo he. Mie glo he. Mie fuvuve he.
Kedabero. Obialo. Type, this is for the table, You set up table. Near corner description, I beg whether I'm sure.
Can you do he onya?
Then they will know.
Ala yamada now. No shamu. We Nangloba yi no saga of asa shivi no ta. Yamada na Tonico sasa kwenye nududu ikabi alo nuvivi mola ponji. Mara na lama sakata zanga afya siota.
Okay.
Ka abe hento ike miezana le dzodoƒi a dzodoƒi
Oh,
he
yeah.
dzodoƒi he wɔwɔ woɖana ya ne fem ko esi o. Iƒe suetɔ miezana kɔ tsɔ fetu kple nu bubuwo hã wɔwo hã nye yi. Okay. Enyo ŋutɔ míedzagba egakpɔtɔ nanewo míagayi. Eya hã nɔ kplɔ dzi ne míeve nu ɖu ge. Míeyɔnɛ be nu ka gaflo. Gaflo. Osiris. Míeyɔnɛ be gaflo. Yevugbe me ale ke woyɔnɛ.
Yevugbe me ale ke woyɔnɛ.
Manyalo.
I know something you don't know, you never.
Yeah.
It's
Gaflo.
a fork.
Fork. Yeah, ike mi kɔ ɖuna nui. Iƒe aŋetɔ hã li. Hafi egatɔ hã li. Okay, I think I have it. Aŋetɔ nye yi. Yeah. Aŋetɔ nye yi. Gaflo. Gaflo. Yeah, I think we done.
Nyata akon the kade akpadenchia. Let me see. No nene of I can't remember.
Okay. Mako the Magloba Hafina Yavuna va Shigera Nyafo Konoma Ashia Miko Dunanui. Nemina Akula Ruga Ashi Pledechi Academy Kakele Tamu Niwa Alba Gachi kple Gachia miezana kɔ ɖuna nu gake yevu wanye yame dze gɔme nɔ zam gake mikɔ ƒona detsi ya mikɔ kuna detsi ya gãtɔ le mikɔ kuna detsi mikɔ ƒona detsi ta ne menye nenema wa ame ɖe ata agble miana. What I'm saying is before our contact with our Europeans, we used to eat with our hands, whether it's rice, whether it's banku, akbele, we just eat with our hands. So we didn't used to eat with spoon.
Yeah. Ale nenema be afi yevu nave ame yibɔ nyigba dzia. Mía tɔgbiwo hã wonye nu yiwo kɔ ɖua nu. Eta ŋkɔ le mía si be tsi. Wozãna tsi. Ke yi ne yevuwo wova tro mo nɛ wònye ga. Eta wòzu gatsi. Elabe ka eya wova wɔe kple ga. Ta wozãna tsi kɔ wɔna nu yi ke wowɔe kple atsi. Wokɔ wɔna nu yiwo ta. Yewo hã nɔ zazãm hafi yevuawo ko wotɔ vɛ. Ta ne gblɔe nenema megblɔ. Míenɔ fefefem be yevuwo be spoon. Míawo hã míaƒe asibidea yenye spoon. 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 Ta míawo míaƒe asi abe ameyibɔwo na míawo hã míatɔ míaƒe gatsia yenye ya mía tɔgbiwo zãna hafi míawo hã míava. Menye míawo ɖeɖe dze o. Ne kpo ne do go metɔwo abe menye ame yiwo ke míaƒe agbalẽ yibɔ ya le wo ŋu. Woɖuna nu abe míawo pɛpɛpɛ wozãna asi nenema. Ne míeyi teƒe aɖewo míedo goa. Wogblɔna be ne zã asia ye ne vivi se ge ne nuɖuɖua hã. Míawo hã míekpɔnɛ be ne ezã asia eha to vovo ne ezã yevutɔ. Ta nu ko srɔ̃m míele. Egba.
Makona kpadenchi ekpɔ nu hia alehi. Yo ekpɔm abe akple datsi gakea our forefathers, forebears. Oza achi. Many necessarily be achiko. Oko dananuri. Instead of this.
Yeah.
Instead of this.
Yeah.
They use that. And then, the little nudges here, that's just for that's just for the new thing, like, making bankon and akple and all that. But these are the same thing. They use wood. Just like that's what we use.
Yeah.
To serve food. Instead of spoons, we use wood.
Yo, apa nami alaba miganglo miama maoba miato biokwa. Mia mama kle mia togbio ya mi mauzama tamiepo achi ya okodu na yela fia. So this is the spoon. And actually this is actually better than the other ones that we have. Yeah, these are better.
Free.
Yeah, these are better biodegradable materials compared to all the things that we have now, the plastics and other things like that. Instead of the spoon. So this is actually the original spoon. The one made with metal.
Yeah. Tanya duduk po. Inye ba mukaw mi strong ba?
It's called gaflu. Yeah, gaflu, which is
fork.
Gachi, which is spoon. No dazer, which is pot. Asitutuvo, which is napkin.
Yeah.
Atupa, which is border. Yes, wrong. Agba, is like a bowl. Yeah, I'm gonna have a balloon.
I'm over it. Dana minu yang kori.
Okay, well, Eka. Oh, blue. Blue. Oh no, that's blue. No, that's not the one. No, that's not the one.
Yeah.
This is the one. Gaka. Well, I guess you have a handle on it, and then of course, Yivuto. Chijoji tea no.
Chijoji no to Hey Ankori.
Nimeno akpamo. Here. Lana share. Nimeno akpamo. Akwa. Echo be that for be many o gake. But I was taught growing up in Jelukopa is Akwa be ye had be fifia.
Why? La mia pon fofoma. Nyagba odona vuvu. Gake na vabe ya yo no tonko ko va vieto la ngongoloma ala vuvu. De kolaba le mia pa English gba gbogloma. Oba I go na. Well, I'm going to. I'm going ta nanama kulemia dagbama. Alabanano lia ogboglo levufu. Nana ava a yoga. Amako
Nyatafi ta vegba e onlo na lagbale ma e nyangulo. Kake vegba vodumeli. Afi bubu gali tong
Yeah.
ko ha o dano liu yo ne different ke le ngonglo maonglo na anglo
La porama. La porama. Ni a miene ba aida. Amaroya ne ba aya. Ala vuvuvu. Ta de ba chofi pa nyaglomola alo dwi maton uma le oyoge. Ta aida. Aida. Emio na mia.
Okay. Ye mami eglo. Api ye pove egbede shiada. Kaya oglona. Ple alonglone ato. Monoglombe. Texas toglona be y'all. All of you. Gake.
Georgia.
If you are neng mangloma mangloga na alabe amo yonangu. So people call things in different ways. But there's a standard way of doing that. So when the language was written, young lovagba, oko ni vovovo chotafel kopo fuye. Taite abe stick. A stick is called le anglo. In Anglo, they say achi. But the matoglo nabe ati. The written one is ati. So if you go to an exam and you want to write stick and you say achi, A-T-S-I, that is wrong. It has to be A-T-I.
Yeah.
So you have the local way of saying it, and then you have the standardized way, which is made by taking that from different places and putting them together. Okay.
Okay, so today things around the house, especially around our dining table, we learn few things in our language of things like cap, blue, plate, agba, knife, he, fork, gaflo, bottle, atupa, and what else? Comb, aida, calabash, tre, he, knife, spoon, gachi, or gati. So these few items, I think we can practice them, and next time we come, we speak our language. Thank you.
Thank you.
Akpanami. Sukuvio akpanami miawewe onyo akpanami danami. Binyaba awe togboneba kpechika hoga aja agbanto.
Yo, danami. Saros.
Oh, my goodness, yes, I had to say bye bye to
kind. No nyaga miaga na wanya ba no nanko na miapa linka vaga na wonglonko na anwa soson.
Me a post. Okay. Fifian, we are ready. We are ready to start a beginner's class. So, we have a flyer that will be coming out all the week. We'll send it out, and also post it in the various forums. And if you want to be a part of it, you what's the word? You register on that form. Like this lady that we had here, that Lavina, she has registered. I know, she told me yesterday. So be looking out for it. And the beginners class would start the beginning of November. But the rest of this month, we are going to dedicate it to getting the students who are interested, young and old. We can all be in the beginners class. It's just different. Do you have something to add, my companions?
That's it.
Yeah, Alabama. Yeah, so the form is right here. So I just pasted the form into the comment section. This here. If you click on it, you'll be able to register. Na ekashi etoshi ni magia ngonglo make mafia leta fuma adore tepe ike na nglonko bale danami egblene alebe macho miacho monko kwa da kpena miagata be mi dore mianchi egba masham da Lavina Mensa da Lavina Mensa elafia egba kple David Doreen amatoyona kple amabubu kata ike mo englong nana kerafia mi da kpena mi be mi dore mianchi efia alebe mi da kpena miafe agbanlejiglau da nami da vero Fosaros de do gata me mieleta alebe obe enyanyu adeva nyichoa na mi donkujia miafe nufiala gan cho ocho University of Education Winneba be fiapa la fuma o eglona mi be yo pepede nwa regime na ega la be de vio no la sukua de omoten sukua ngumo la be jamali okohe efel ta flache alabe ta obia bele kemi akpede yonchi ha alabe ko ne mi don kujia me ko be amade no afia nyem yakpa nu pola de ikenye Dr. Forgive avogbedo ko anglora afia be na mia abu mia chadang mia kweda beleke mia awe ha alebe ta nyeklumi va hong ko ebe ya nami dollar akpereka akoje gome ta mi da kwene Dr. Forgive avogbedo enami akpereka dollar akpereka University of Education Winneba. So let's thank Dr. Forgive Avogbedo. For those who don't understand Ewe, let me just translate. So Dr. Forgive Avogbedo, she is giving $1,000 to the University of Education Winneba, the Ewe department. Yeah, for that work, but we still need more contributions.
Wait, you said for that work. What work? You didn't explain that.
Oh yeah, for the teaching. So as I mentioned at the beginning, I think I mentioned it in Ever. There are people, there are students. Yeah, there are students who need help. What's happening is that is the only place in Ghana where teachers of Ewe are trained, and so it's very important to maintain that department, because if there are no teachers of the language, then no one will be able to learn the language. These are professionals. However, there's a problem, and the problem is that some of the students drop out because they are unable to pay the fees, and that is a big challenge for the department. So Dr. Dogbe, who comes here regularly, he has been footing some of these bills himself. So Dr. Avogbedo, forgive Avogbedo, she saw the show the last time, and then she said she would think about how to help. So through this, she got back to me and she said that she's going to give us $1,000 for us to start this. So we need other folks to contribute towards this effort. So during our next coming show, we'll talk about this in more detail, so that folks can actually help. We also discuss how to make this sustainable, because it's important. This is not a one-time thing. There should be a pipeline. We should have a strategy in place. So I think it's up to all of us to work together to see how to do this, because as I always say, the blood of any nation or any people is the language. And once the language disappears, the culture and everything of that language just vaporizes. So we don't want that to happen to it. It's important for all of us to see how best to help with this. So once again, Akpe, Dr. Forgive Avogbedo, for this.
Thank you very much indeed. Yeah. Dr. Dogbe will be very, very grateful.
Yeah. So so once again, please prepare our listeners and viewers. We'll be talking about this. Let's all put our heads together. How can we help these students so that every teaching will continue? And I can tell you myself, when I went to high school, there was no EVE teacher then, and what I did was I talked to the headmaster. I said I wanted to learn EVE. So they had to spend a few months to get a teacher of EVE, right? So that took some time for them to get these teachers, these 2 teachers to come and teach so many students. So if you don't have any teachers, then yeah, the language is gone. And there are a lot of places around here, Native Americans, who are working very hard to preserve their language. There's an article that I was just reading earlier today that's talking about how the Native American languages are disappearing at a very fast rate. And they are complaining that with the language disappearing, the culture is also following along. Dr. Forgive Avogbedo.
Thanks again, Doc.
Okay.
All right.
Yo, Mariku, enya bubuarela nyashi, emiako, akpereng ne miafe, nukola, plenya salao.
Akpe ko mie dana mashama ba udure miang agbaha mia pon bonao o iji pepepe kanu vio mia strong mia kwa fie mia vio de vio mi bano sagba nure karaka no nya yoyoko ne mia gava mia nuro bazama. When we are using the whiteboard, then it will be easy for us. Now we just doing virtual. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yo, thank you. Akpanami.
All right.
Miaga akpe.
Miaga dogo.
Miaga dogo.
Akpebe mizonde miam.
Akpe kakaka.
Tanyo. Akpanami. Ta miape ngi ami ogba yema. Judo no everyday household items. Agba miape français to mavota. Yeah, you matin do français alta. Maybe that vero clear dynamia maybe all dona français ta keba obe français mia
Edo di bebragbo.
Agba momo dona membragbo ta mo
All right.
Yes, I'm sharing.
Okay. Okay. Yema.
Nyaga dogo.
Miaga adogo.
Yeah.
Mama sharing.
Awo mi glena bosanu ba awo blo novio. Mi glena satana ba awo blo. Novio mi glena bosanu ba awo blo novio. Mi glena satana ba awo blo 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 Mi glena bosanu ba awo blo novio. Mi glena satana ba ao bloe. Ao jokato jojo nya 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 dala ya suragba. Jokato jojo nya nya nya. Jokato jojo nya 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 dala ya suragba. Jokato jojo nya nya nya. Ao mi glena bosanu ba ao blo novio. Mi glena satana ba ao bloe. Awo mi glena bosanu ba awo blo novio. Mi glena satana ba awo blo 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 Mi glena bosanu ba awo blo novio. Mi glena satana ba awo blo Jokato jojo nya 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 dala ya suragba. Jokato jojo nya nya nya. Ajato jojo nya 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 dala ya suragba. Jokato jojo nya nya nya. Ao mi glena bosanu ba ao blo novio. Mi glena satana ba